To my channel. If you have not like and subscribe the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. This is the place where you can learn Microsoft Intune. Today in this video I am going to share you about the new development, what is Microsoft is going to release in next quarter. I mean from January to maybe you can consider July, or maybe April to July, right? So this is the Microsoft 365 roadmap, right? So I will share this link in the video description so that you can always refer this and you will get the latest update what is in their Microsoft roadmap about the Intune. So you can filter by product here. So if you have multiple products, I have selected only Microsoft Intune, and I have selected only iOS, Android and mobile. If you have any device type Mac, you can select, and you see here you can also subscribe or download, or you can subscribe as a RSS feed as well, so that you will get the feed. So let's first get use. You can see once you filter that, right, then you have to check in 6 feature as it are in development, 1 is rolling out and 8 already launched, right? So I will talk about in development because we are in 2025, and let's pick the first one, right? So see, the first one is in development, which will be or roll out on January 2025, and it's added on October, added to the roadmap in October, right? So what is this? Microsoft Intune multiple managed account. It will be available with suite. It will allow people to use the single devices with multiple company accounts to access company information through Team and OneDrive. So earlier you may have seen, right, you can add only one corporate account, right, and other personal account, right, if it's BOID, right, BOID scenario. Now Microsoft is giving options to the users that you can add multiple company managed account on a single device, which is actually quite easy, right? If you are working as a consultant for some other or many organizations, right, multiple organizations, you can add their managed account into a single devices, so that you don't need 2 devices. Earlier this option was not available, so this is very good, and it will be available in January this month. The other thing I am gonna show you here, this is very interesting. It will be released on April 2025. So Intune is bringing ACME and managed device attestation support for eligible Apple devices to general availability. This includes device enrollment and AD enrollment, Apple device enrollment, including AC2, I mean Apple Configurator 2. This applies a new enrollment with the BOID, with the device enrollment, BOID, and new enrollment with AD or Apple Configurator 2. So it will apply to your BOID devices or DP devices, or if you are configuring through the Apple Configurator on iOS or on Mac devices. Earlier you may be seeing how the Apple devices are being attested through Apple protocol, right? So now Apple is changing, and they will be using ACME protocol, and so the devices will get attested. This is one of the feature. Actually there will be no impact on anything. You just have to be aware, right, what are the security features are coming. There are many other features. You can see, you can read it here, right? The enrollment timing group. If you are enrolling any Apple device, automated device enrollment like DEP devices, and you want to ensure targeted application policy can get the device faster, so that you can reduce the latency of the device setup, because sometimes it's taking more time while activating the devices through AD, right? And admin can add the static Entra ID groups into the enrollment policy, so that devices will be part of the group, and so that it will reduce the latency of the policy and apps. The another is scope a targeted device cleanup tool. This will be, I think it's already available in the public preview mode, so you can target the devices based on the device cleanup rule. This enable IT admin to clean up the inactive devices from their tenant by providing capabilities of running these rules at the platform level. This is already available now, and you see it has been rolled out. I think I've already made video on this one. You can refer my video for more information. So these are actually 6 features are in development, which will gonna be released from January to July, right? It will also, you see, Microsoft tunnel support, so they are increasing the number of clients supported per tunnel. Earlier it was 5,000 per. Now if you have one tunnel, you can add 20 per server, right? It will be released on July 2025 as well. So these 6 are in development. One is rolling out. This is already rolled out in October 2024, and 8 are already launched, and you may be using that some of the features, right? Zebra, if you are managing the Zebra device management, you can control the firmware from Microsoft Intune. It is already released. So this is what it's available in the roadmap for next quarter for 2025. I just thought to share so that you must be aware about what is coming and what is the development about Intune in this 2025 next quarter, in next 2-3 months. Till then, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.